Sometimes we don't need long words, nor do we need quick solutions. At that moment, what is most needed is presence. Many people seem fine, but in fact, they are struggling in silence. And often, we are too quick to judge, too busy offering opinions without truly listening. Empathy is not about being a hero, but the courage to choose to care. We just need to be people who are willing to understand. Empathy is not a big deal. It's not expensive. It's not complicated. Empathy is free. So choose it even when it's quiet.